Hi, it's Debbie. I'm just going to show you how I make a bed. I've got a bad back, so bear with me. When you got a bad back and you're making a bed, it's the worst thing on the face of the planet. So spread your legs out. I don't care if you look like a sumo wrestler. It will work to help prevent you from bending your back too much. So it gives you a good workout on your legs too. And one of the tricks to the trade is making sure that you get as many creases out as possible. And there won't be any creases in this puppy because there's barely any room to get it on. Like, really? They should have like added a couple inches to this. All right, my sumo wrestler. Move! All right, that's as good as that's gonna get. There we go. So then you want to take your top sheet. When you have your top sheet, this is the side that you want to show when you turn over your cuff. And so therefore, you want to face it down. Try to get it even on both sides. And you can actually just put it right to the top if you like. Some people, they like to have their covers way up high. And then other people, they only want it down lower. We live in Canada. It's cold here. You want it up high. If you live in a warm weather climate, you may not have this same issue. Now, had I ironed this, it would have been perfect. Smooth it out. Take all the little creases out. Make sure you get all of the little wrinkles. The other thing is some people are tuckers at the end. Some people don't like it tucked in the end because they like their feet to be dangly. So if you like your feet to be dangly, then leave it untucked. If you don't mind it tucked in, then tuck her in. Something that elderly people showed me when I was working as a young person to make the hospital bed corners. So you lift the corner and you tuck this little edge part right in there. And then it goes down. So you get a really nice corner. That's called a hospital corner. You lift it, tuck, and then you get this beautiful little edge. Nice and tucked, unless you're not a tucker. Again, we live in Canada. You gotta be warm. It's the fluffiest thing on the face of the earth. Oh. Now see, I'm standing like a sumo again. Just keep on giving it some fluff. You can live very rich just by doing things nicely. I'm gonna take the cuff, I'm gonna flip it over. Pull it down on the sides. Take the other side, flatten it out at the side, and you might have to go to the other side again and do it. Then I will usually turn it back. And then I'll put a whole bunch of wonderful pillows here. All of my sheets are white, because then you can bleach them. They always look nice and fresh. They go with everything. I find that white is just a really nice, pleasant sleep. It's like you're in a cloud. Put pillows on. Now, as you can see, nothing fancy, but my goodness, crawl into that puppy. It's gonna be nice. Try making your bed this way. Pamper yourself. Make sure that when you go to bed, it's your sanctuary. You get to just relax and dream well.
And look at that view. Oh my gosh. It is quite a sight out there, isn't it?